Okay, boys and girls, in this video, we're going to reread the Scholastic News, review vocabulary, and there's an assignment for you at the end. So, it says here, frozen in ice. This may look like a frozen palace, but it's a lighthouse covered in ice. Wild winter weather makes some lighthouses look like ice castles. As you read, think about the different things winter weather can do. Okay, so we're looking at our Scholastic News. From spray to ice. For most of the year, this lighthouse is red, but in winter, it turns bright white. This lighthouse sits on the shore of Lake Michigan. All year, the wind blows on the lake. It sends drops of water called spray into the air. When the weather is warm, the spray splashes on the lighthouse and drips back into the lake. In the winter, the air is frigid. The lighthouse is very cold, too. The wind still blows the spray into the air, but now the spray freezes on the cold surface of the lighthouse. The surface is the outer layer of the lighthouse. Slowly, many layers of ice build up on the lighthouse. Some of the ice melts. The water drips down and freezes again. That makes spiky icicles on the lighthouse. The lighthouse won't look like an ice castle forever. When the weather gets warm, the ice melts. The lighthouse is bright and red again. So now let's look down at the bottom of the page. Wild winter weather. What can other kinds of winter weather do? A blizzard is a big snowstorm with strong winds. It can blanket the ground with many feet of snow. In the winter, tiny balls of ice called sleet fall from the sky. Sleet can make roads slippery and dangerous to drive on. Freezing rain is liquid that falls from the sky. It turns to ice as soon as it hits a cold surface. It can cover the ground, roads, and branches. Sometimes, when a strong wind blows, the day feels extra cold. We call that wind chill. Wind chill can make a cold day feel even colder. Okay, now here's some of the vocabulary that we saw. We had a lot of vocabulary words in this issue. Spray. Spray is flying drops of liquid, like water, being blown by the wind. Spray splashes on this lighthouse. Frigid, very cold. Surface, the outer or top layer of something. Water freezes on the surface of this lighthouse. Blizzard, a very big snowstorm with strong winds. A lot of snow can fall during a blizzard. Roads and cars can get buried in snow. Sleet, tiny balls of ice that fall from the sky. Wind chill. Wind chill happens when a strong wind blows on a cold day. The wind chill can make the weather feel even colder. Okay, boys and girls, now that we've read this again, please complete the reading checkpoint, Frozen in Ice. That's it for today. The end.